Hello friend, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing well. Today we will solve chapter 1 number sense for class 4. Topics are on the screen. Let's start with question number 1. 100 tens is equal to dash. 100 tens means 100 into tens position value means is 10. So 100 into 10 is equal to 1000. So D option is correct. Direction for 2 and 3 using digit 90524 each only once. Answer the following question. Question number 2. Smallest 5 digit number form is. For smallest number we have to take smaller number first except 0, otherwise it will become 4 digit number. So first 2, then 0, then 4, 5 and 9. So A is the smallest 5 digit number. Question number 3. Largest 5 digit number having 0 at tens place formed is. Here in given option which number is having 0 at tens place? Only number A, and it is largest number. So A is right answer. Question number 4. The difference between the place value of 8 and 4 in this. Here place value of 8 is 8000 minus place value of 4 is 40. So 0 minus 0 0. Here 10. 10 minus 4 6. Here 9 7. So option B is correct. Question number 5. Select the odd one out. 10 tens is equal to 10 into 10 means 100. 100 tens, here 100 tens means 1000. Here 100 100 and 100 ones means 100. Which one is odd one out? 100 100 100. B is 1000. So B is odd one out. Question number 6. Expanded form of 84,926. So 80,000 plus 4,000 plus 900 plus 20 plus 6. So which answer is correct? B. Question number 7. The descending order of 9411, 9145, 9015 and 9149 is. Descending order means big to small. So first which number will come? Which is the largest number here? 9411. Then 9149. Then 9145. And then 9015. So B is correct answer. Question number 8. Place value of 8 in 76,863. Here 8 is in 100 place. So place value of 8 is 800. So A is correct answer. Question number 9. 1 million is equal to dash. In international number system, 1 million is written as we convert this into Indian number system. Indian system it is written as like this, means it is, this is 100,000 and 10 lakhs, means 1 million is equal to 10 lakhs. Question number 10. 56,450 is same as 56,450. So B is right answer. Question number 11. 50,908. 50,000 dash tens, means 90 tens plus 8 ones. So B is right answer. Question number 12. The number on the jar shows the base estimate of each of the following number of marbles. Best estimate means 200 is a round of figure of marble, mean which is the nearest figure, 195. So is right answer. Question number 13. Which of the following statement is correct? P is largest of other number. Is this statement correct? P is largest of all other number. No. The largest number is Q. So P statement is incorrect. S is the smallest of all other number. S is smallest. No, this is also not correct. P is the smallest of all the other number. P is smallest. Yes, it is the smallest amongst all other number. So C is the correct answer. R is the largest of all the other numbers. R is not largest. Which is the largest number? Q. So this is also incorrect statement. Only P is the correct statement. So C is the correct option. Question number 14. Which of the following is meaningless? Here option D is X. Option A is equal to X and V means 15. This option B means X and X means 10 and 9, 19. Option C, this is X means 9 and this is 4. But 94 cannot be written as this. 94 is written as so C is incorrect, meaningless. And option D is equal to 24. Direction for 15 and 16. Using the given table, answer the following question. CM. C means 100 and M means 1000. Here C is before M and 900 is written as CM in Roman system. 1000 minus 100. So B is correct option. L is 50 plus 1 plus 1. This I is 1. So 52. D is correct answer. Question number 17. Round off 34,519 to nearest 1000. Hence we have to check the 100 place. 100 place is 5. So we add 1 to 1000 place and remaining places becomes 0. So 1000 place is 4. We add 1 in 1000 place, it becomes 5 and remaining 0. So 35,000 is correct answer. So 35,000 is round off of 34,519. Question number 18. Which should not be placed in the box to have the numbers in order from the greatest to least? I give number to blocks. This is 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now these three numbers should be smaller than number 2 and larger than number 4. So we'll check all the option. Option A is smaller than number 2 and larger than number 4. So it can be placed in the box. Now we check the option B. Option B also larger than number 4 and smaller than number 2. So it can be also placed in the box. Now we check option C. Option C also smaller than 2 and larger than 4 box. So it can also be placed in the box. Option D. Option D is larger than this number. So it cannot be placed in the box. So D is correct answer. Question number 19. Which of the following is same as 8403? 8000 is 1000 place means 8000 plus 4 is in 100 place means 400 plus 0 plus 3. So it match with option D. D is the correct answer. Question number 20. 68,234 is 68 to 30 when round off to the nearest dash. Here only ones place digit becomes 0. So 68,234 is rounded off nearest tens. A is right answer. Question number 21. A city has population of 92,582. Rounded off the population to nearest 100. Nearest 100 means we have to check the digit at tens place. It is 8 means more than 5. So 100 place is increased by 1. 92, 6 and tens and ones place become 0. So option B is correct. Question number 22. If there are 25,632 seats in Stadium P, 30,654 seats in Stadium Q and 15,620 seats in Stadium R, then in which stadium the number of seats were least? In Stadium R, the number of seats are less than in Stadium P and Stadium Q. So C is correct answer. Question number 23. The XYZ company estimated the cost of build a new basketball stadium which is in rupees 94,000. What is the number in numeral form? 94,000 is written as this. So B is correct answer. Question number 24. The given picture shows the copies of 4 different magazines. The number under each magazine is the total number of copies of magazine sold last year. Which magazine sold a number of copies that has the 4 at 10,000 place? Ones place, tens place, 100, then 1000, 10,000. In first option, 4 is at 10,000 place. 43,810. 4 is at 10,000 place. So A option is correct. Question number 25. Mohit was solving mathematics question. He calculated that there are 86,400 seconds in a day. Help him to write this number in numerical form. 86,400. So C is correct answer. Question number 26. Which of the following statement is incorrect? A. Option A. Symbols VLD can never be subtracted while writing Roman numerals. This is correct statement. Symbol I can be subtracted from V and X only once. This is also correct statement. Symbol X cannot be subtracted from L. This is wrong statement because symbol X can be subtracted from L and C. So C is incorrect statement. Question number 27. Match the following. Column 1, column 2. First question. Successor of 9,26,542. Successor is next number, means 543. Smallest 5-digit number. Smallest 5-digit number is 10,000. Place value of 2 is 2000. In this number, 2 is in 1000 place. So place value of 2 is 2000. This is correct. One lakh 39 when rounded off to nearest 100. Nearest 100 means we have to change the tens place digit. 3 is smaller than 5. So tens and ones place become 0. So rounded off figure is 1 lakh. So A is correct answer. Question number 28. Sonali's clues about her mystery number as shown below. What is Sonali's mystery number? 6 tens, 4,000, 8 ones, 5 10,000 and 900. So this is ones position, tens, 100, 1000 and 10,000. So 6 tens means 6 will come here, 4,000 place, 8 ones, 5 10,000 means 10,000 place and 900. So her number, mystery number is 54,968. So C is correct answer. Question number 29. P, Q, R and S are 5-digit number, each having the digit 9 only once and in place shown. None of the other digits are known. Which of the following statement is correct about P, Q, R and S? Statement A is S is smallest of the 4 number. Statement B is P is larger than R. C is Q is the largest of the 4 numbers. And D is R is smallest of the 4 numbers. Its correct statement is C, because here 9 is at 10,000 place. So it is largest amongst all 4 numbers. Question number 30. Compare and fill the boxes using greater than, smaller than and is equal to. L means 50, C means 100, V is 5 and this is 1. So here this number is 54 and this is 99. So 99 is greater than 54. B 44, 46. So this is greater. 46 is greater than 44. Here 205 and 95. So this is bigger. So which option is correct? C is correct. Do practice well and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.